Malolele, my name is Gavin, and I manage Oceania Storm. We're from Auckland, New Zealand. I was introduced to Cook Highland music at a very young age, to be honest. When I was 4 years old, living here back in 1980. I was born in Tonga, but my parents were working as missionaries for the Seventh-day Adventist Church, and they were teaching at Paparoa College. So we were here from 1980 to 1982. I was taught to play piano back here in Rarotonga by Mrs. Tainer, one of the teachers at Paparoa College. She taught me how to play piano when I was 4 years old. I used to speak fluent Rarotongan, and I used to translate the sermon to my parents when we went to church back when we were here. As a 4 years old, I was able to speak fluent Rarotongan, and was able to translate that to my mom and dad, who didn't pick up the language quick enough. Oceania Storm is a reggae band set up in 2007 for the church youth. That's when the band was formed, and over the years we managed to do a few albums. But the idea of forming the band was to keep the youth in the church and keep them out of mischief. But that was the main purpose of setting up the band for the church youth. The Oceania Storm was named by the president of the church, Reverend Semisofonua. He named the band after some of these cyclones and storms that have traveled through Tonga, through the Pacific. A new beginning. When you have cyclones, takes out everything, and then you're left to start off again. And that was where the name came from. Aotearoa reggae music, and it's a kind of reggae is easy for us Pacific to play, and the albums that we did was predominantly reggae music, and we normally have 3 leading vocalists, and then we have a couple of guitar players, a couple of keyboard players, a drum, bass, and now we've added a horn section to the lineup. Yeah.